Hello students, in the last lecture we have seen the IoT application, that is smart environment. In this video lecture we are going to see two more applications of IoT, that is IoT based street light monitoring system, that is smart lighting, and the second is IoT based waste management system. So first is smart street light system. More than 350 million bulbs that light up the world consume a huge amount of energy, which may estimate at about 19% of world's energy consumed. These lighting costs are essential and not avoidable, though they cost government roughly up to Euro 3 billion every year. Though LED lights are gradually replacing CFL and incandescent lights, more than three-fourths of the existing street lamps are of more than 25 years old. Most of these old vintage street lamps are on throughout the night, even when there is no one around. Therefore, with the aim of reducing their carbon footprint while saving both money and electricity, an increasing number of cities around the world are opting for smart technologies to prevent unnecessary wastage of light by means of dimming or automatically switching on off these lights at night. A pilot project was conducted in Norway using self-dimming street lamps along routes with the low traffic at night by TP Light System, an Amsterdam based company working towards sustainable smart cities for the future. So let us see how to make street lights smart. The smart street lighting uses wireless technologies to control and monitor the actual amount of energy consumed by these street lights. This data is then used to initiate suitable measures to reduce energy consumption through power conditioning. The smartness of street lights is derived from microcontroller and some sensors coupled with the wireless module. This entire unit is called as controller. This, when installed on the street light pole, would communicate data between street lights and thus control LED street lighting depending on the traffic flow. Data generated from each street light is then passed on to the base station via wireless means, thus enabling a real-time monitoring of the system. The mode of operation can be chosen as either manual or auto mode. The control system can be programmed to turn on-off lights as per the predetermined schedule. This system can also be programmed to vary the intensity of lighting to suit the predetermined situations. LDRs, that is light dependent resistors, sense light and it automatically switches off the light. This results in very huge energy savings and avoids wastage of energy by glowing street lights in unwanted areas. The whole system can be operated using solar energy with battery backup. Sensors using passive infrared technology, that is PIF technology, are used to sense the presence of people and the light intensity of the area. This data is then transmitted wirelessly to the controller, which in turn switches on or off the street light or enables dimming or brightening of the area, depending on the presence or absence of the people. This is highly effective in areas experiencing low traffic at some times at the night. Here are some disadvantages of the existing system. Manual switching or on off of street lights is required. more energy consumption is done, it is expensive, and manpower requirement is also more. The advantages of this proposed street light system or smart light system is automatic switching of the street lights, maintenance of cost reduction, maintenance cost is reduced, then reduction in carbon dioxide emission, reduction of light pollution, wireless communication, energy saving, and also reduction in manpower. Let us see how smart lighting works. The smart street lighting system consists of IR sensors, LDRs, microcontroller, relays, transmitters, receivers and Wi-Fi modules linked up to each other over wireless media. The resistance of an LDR decreases when light falls on them and increases in the absence of light. Vehicles passing by a street light are detected by IR sensors. Relays are used to switch on or off the street lights. Transmitters and receivers are programmed microchips that control computer's interface to its connected streetlight system. This real-time information and data can be accessed over the internet from anywhere and anytime. An IoT-based smart street lighting system is a cost-efficient, practical, eco-friendly and the safest way to save energy. The status information is easily accessible anytime and anywhere. This very efficiently eliminates the problems of saving of energy and also disposal of incandescent lamps. However, the initial cost of installation and maintenance can be more. The development of LEDs has resulted in lighting systems with long life, cool lighting, devoid of any toxic material and fast switching capabilities. These results in several advantages that outweigh the current limitations. Considering the long-term benefits, the initial cost should never be taken as limiting factor due to faster return on investment. The scope of such a system can be expanded to include other applications such as industrial lighting, campus lighting and parking lots of huge shopping malls, etc. This can also be used for surveillance in corporate campuses and industries and security applications. IoT applications in waste management are engaging citizens and cities alike in project of making out waste practices more sustainable. Optimizing garbage collection routes based on actual disposal unit field levels as measured by field level sensors is one such application that is proving to be quite impactful. Ultimately, truly transforming waste management will require deeper collaboration between public stakeholders and private stakeholders. The amount of waste we generate is enormous. It is up to 300 million tons of waste in 1 year. That means approximately 4.51 pounds or a person per day. As we dedicate more attention to the amount of waste we generate and how it is handled, we also have to look at how those processes can be made more sustainable. IoT presents a huge opportunity to reduce waste, lower the operating cost of waste management companies, and improve the quality of service that residents and businesses receive. no matter where they have located. The success of any IoT enabled application lies in the collection of vast amount of data, often in real time, and the distillation of those data into insights on which user can take action. As sensor technology advances, a whole array of everyday objects are being connected to the internet and to each other also to exchange information interactively. The most common IoT application in waste management operations currently is the automated route optimization of garbage pickup trucks. These trucks generally follow a specific route every day to collect trash. For those sanitation departments that have yet to harness IoT connectivity, the drivers generally don't know how full a trash bin is before they encounter it. That results in a lot of wasted time, fuel, and therefore money also. IoT applications in waste management are improving this scenario by giving sanitation workers insight into the actual field level of various disposal units whose loads, whose loads can vary day by day, the week, and season. Sensor enabled and internet connected garbage bins can collect information on field level, temperature, location, or whatever data types the sensor gather, and the sanitation departments finds it useful. With a user interface revealing the locations and field levels of the bins, waste collectors can get an automated route planned for them that has prioritized the areas in urgent need for cleanup and avoided disposal units that still have room. Even smart packaging with digital tags, that is QR codes, barcodes, data matrix coders, RFID and NFC tags, can play a part in ensuring people recycle and dispose of waste responsibility. Those confused can rapidly pull up instructions on how to dispose of a particular item in an interactive format by a simple scan of digital tags with their smartphones. The ultimate goal of IoT applications in waste management is producing leaner operations and delivering higher quality services to the citizens. A growing collection of interlinked autonomous systems are managing everyday urban operations and improving both citizen experiences and our carbon footprint. Ultimately, however, we need deeper coordination between public sectors through a mix of regulation and incentives, and with private sectors also through a willingness to engage with regional, state, and federal agencies to use IoT applications in waste management to build a better and more sustainable future.